Well, advocates call it an injustice. Tennessee State University reportedly owed more than $2 billion in back pay from the state. It has left many wondering what is next for the university. Well, now they have a prominent civil rights attorney to consult. Here's News 2's Mai Owens.
Today was less about cheering and more about coming together to demand change.
Right, we have to demand more. We have to understand that that money is our money. And we need to find a way to work with the people to get this to TSU.
Weeks after the U.S. Education Secretary sent a letter to 16 governors telling them their states haven't been properly funding certain HBCUs. Here in Tennessee, TSU is owed at least $2.1 billion in back pay.
The housing crisis, not having enough money for scholarships, the effects of these older buildings, and our students have been they've been forced to continuously pivot and work around these issues. And that is not fair to them whatsoever.
Civil rights attorney Ben Crump held a press conference on Tuesday after meeting with students and leadership about the next step in the process and what their legal options are.
And I shared with them that they have absolutely every right to demand equality in the funding, to demand equity in the funding of their education.
Advocates say if the university had the funds they were owed, the school would have been much stronger and in a better position to serve students in the state.
We have facilities on campus that have not been developed, yet we go to other schools in Tennessee and they're continuously developing. How does that make sense, right?
During the press conference, the university was asked what steps are already being made.
I'll say that our president is in conversations as we speak. So there are some conversations that are taking place. But again, it's very early on. The governor is aware. We recognize and realize that state legislative leaders are aware, and those conversations are starting.
As students continue to push forward.
We got here, now let's fix it. Can we all agree that the problem needs to be fixed once and for all?
Now, Crump ended his speech stating he knows there are a lot of questions about what specifically TSU plans on doing moving forward and what the school's plan is. Crump stating, like any good lawyer, he has advised the school to keep plans close to the vest.